39, we're doing something a little different now with decimals. We're multiplying and dividing. Now when you multiply and or divide, you're counting decimals at the end. So when multiplying decimals, you do not line up the decimals points like you do in addition and subtraction. Multiply the numbers together, but at the end you count the total number of decimals and then move the decimal point in the answer to the left by the same total number of decimals in the problem. So for example, a 0.04 times a 0.03 has how many decimal places? Has 4. 0, 4, 0, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 12. You move the decimal place 4 places. So 4% of 3% is 0.0012, which is tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. 12 10,000s is 0.04 of 0.03. Go ahead and solve these problems, these next 6 problems, and make sure that the first problem has 2 decimal points. The last problem here, 0.09.8, has 3, just as a clue. All right. It's more practice on multiplying with numbers with decimals and counting decimals over to get the exact answer. Now, what I'm doing also here is looking at number sense. And if you've got 3% of an already small percent, it's going to be that much smaller of a percent. If you have 50% of a very large number, then you're still going to have like half that large number. But 50% of 50% is reduced in size. So the number sense is what I want you to garner here from this page and the bubble. Page 141, division of decimals. Dividing a number with a decimal by a whole number requires that you bring up the decimal into the quotient, usually called the answer. You can see this in both of our examples. 1.02 divided by 6 is 0.17. You can see the decimal point has been brought up into the quotient. And on the second problem, we've got 46.95 divided by 6. And in the first example, you have a 0 remainder. In the second, you have a remainder of 3. Go ahead and solve the next 6 problems. Page 142, there's more division of decimals. This one, we've got the divisor that has the decimal 0.8. And what we want to do in our example is move that one place over to the right. And then in also the dividend, you want to move that one place over to the right as well, going from 0.8 or 32 divided by 0.8 to 320 divided by 8. And the answer here is 40. So go ahead and move the decimal places as practice in these next division problems.